around, let's sing along. Count with roots and sweet and song. From number 1 up to 20. Clap your hands, we got plenty. 1 to 5. 1 red apple, shiny and bright. 2 lollipops, what a tasty sight. 3 bananas dancing side by side. Cupcakes bouncing with so much pride. 4 cupcakes bouncing with so much pride. 5 strawberries, juicy and sweet. Counting fruits is such a treat. 6 to 10. 6 candies twirling round and round. 7 oranges jumping on the ground. 8 cookies sliding, crunch, crunch, crunch. 9 grapes, oven in a bunch. 10 donuts rolling, oh what fudge. Counting's easy one by one. 11 to 15. 11 to 15. 11 mangoes, yellow and sweet. 12 watermelons, a juicy treat. 13 cherries, red and small. 14 pineapples, standing tall. 15 kiwis, fuzzy and green. Counting fun, it's the best we've seen. 16 to 20. 16 chocolates, yummy delight. 17 lemons, sour but bright. 18 peaches, soft and round. 19 pears falling to the ground. 20 birthday cakes, hooray, hooray. We've counted all the way today. Sing and play, numbers help us every